know, things always go up and down in the industry. How you take, because gossips is a big thing for the celebrity to face. Let's be very practical. It's not like when you're entering into the cinema, we don't know what is right, what is wrong. It's your way of living. The word you said, perception. Not to care about it. So you have been into this industry for a long time, and now in Telugu cinema, like how you take when some gossips comes around you, how it actually you take it as a celebrity.
See, I feel that, when something happens around you or with people around you, it is disturbing for a while, but then I feel you should be strong enough to deal with that and think that everything happens for a reason and take it in a positive way. And I just feel that, life won't go so smooth all the time.
Exactly.
So,
and then you're a beautiful actress, you're working hard. I mean, everybody they always look for a gossips, So in industry, you also, when you were a childhood, you must be seeing the gossip magazines. Iska affair usse ho gaya, uska affair usse ho gaya. So when you heard of all this, aapne bhi socha I'm going into this industry. So somewhere, you never know, people can connect you with the actor or act. So how you prepare yourself?
I never thought that this will happen to me, but yeah, finally, if it is happening, I just don't give my much attention to the gossips. And if it is a healthy criticism, I will definitely accept it. But if it is going in a negative way, I will try to, don't let it come to my head and, try to focus on my work, because right now, I really want to focus on my work, my career, and that is
She is single, let me tell you. You are single, not ready to mingle.
No, I'm on to focus on my work, my career, and that's the most important. My cinema is my first love, and it will always be my first
Maybe
love.
Must be people loving your Raj Tarun and your Jodi is going rocking.
That is quite
That's
possible.
why people are like, loving it, and the most of the tsunami masalas are going around about you.
Yeah, because he is also a good performer. I also give so people might love our
and it's your
chemistry
first Telugu movie with the star. So sentiments respect hoti hai, they become your friends. Like we see Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol. Like Ajay Devgan ke saath Tabu ji ko laga diya jata hai. They are good friends.
They are good friends.
So I think in industry it always works. Who's your first star, you have a sentiments.
Right.
So how you take that friendship, and when it comes to friendship?
I feel that if you are a good friend, if you meet good people in your life, you can be friends with them all your life.
Yes.
And the best thing about our industry is, like, if we meet good people, we can keep them for life.
I know.
And if we meet some filthy people, it's okay. We'll work for them for 30-40 days and then we'll say bye-bye. So it's up to us. Like, if you want to keep them friends or if you want to leave them. So we still have that choice. People from other industry, they don't have that choice.
Yes.
You have to, if you like them, if you don't like them, you have to see those same office colleagues every day.
Yes.
That
no
is
doubt.
true. That is true. Yeah.
So would you like to reveal something that is going to excite more about this movie? And you are no doubt it's your first project. So how you take it on the level? I mean, this will be in Pan India or it's in Telugu only?
They are for OTT. I think they are releasing in all the languages, but it's for Telugu.
How your friends are like, your friends must be from North, like they are saying, oh, when is your Telugu movies coming? Because now Telugu cinema is on the big level.
Yeah, it is globally known after RRR winning Oscar. Definitely it's globally known, and I'm very proud to be a part of Telugu cinema right now. And it's just a starting. I want to do more and more Telugu films in future, and I'm looking forward to work with every Telugu actor in future.
I know. And especially the support system is very important, When these gossips come around, I think the strong part is we need to support each other. In family also, when something goes wrong, brother or sister or parents, or somewhere, father comes, okay, I'll support you, daughter, don't worry. When something comes on, father, daughter say, don't worry, I'm there for you.
Right.
So at that time, when the situation is so like different way every day coming, maybe your co-actor Raj Tarun in stress, how you want to support him or like say something for him? So that
I really don't understand what is his personal life, what he's going through. I really don't know. But I just wish that everything falls into place and everything right should happen to everyone, even if this girl, even if Raj. I just feel that everyone should live their life in peace. That is my advice to everyone. And creating unnecessary issues and ruckus doesn't make any sense to anyone. And rest I don't know, everyone has
But
their own.
during the sets you become friends. He talked to you something about Lavanya or something.
No.
When you are in stress, he shared something about you.
No. We didn't had any conversations about her, and this topic only came when she called
Promotions.
me and all of that. But then I still don't want to talk about his personal life, because it's his personal life, and if I stay away from it, it's better for me, better for him, and better for her as well. So I'm here to promote my film. I want to promote my film, and that's all. That's
Your target.
all my target is right now.
So after this Telugu cinema, what makes you busy so much now?
I'm shooting for Tamil as well, and I'm shooting for one Punjabi next month. And there are a few more things coming up in Hindi too. So everything is just
I
going
think after
good.
this Telugu movie got clicked, how you gonna like take this success? And then you are doing Punjabi, then you're doing Hindi, then you're doing Tamil. Then how it's like a mix of, already you're a pan-India now, you're exploring that, right?
Yeah, I feel that language is just it's just a barrier, but I don't feel it's a barrier too, because if you that emotional language it's universal,
Yes,
and
yes.
you can't just, if you get work from all the languages and it's good work, I think you should go for it. And Tamil cinema also, I'm very big fan of Tamil, and I've already worked in Malayalam.
Okay.
Last year my Malayalam film released, and got me good name in Malayalam as well, and really people liked my de-glamorized role in my Malayalam film.
Okay.
And I am, as an artist, because I'm a theatrical artist, I love to explore different characters and different kind of cinema and different scripts basically. For women especially, we rarely get to perform in
Yes.
the films, and if I get a chance to do good kind of roles, I will definitely pick up from any language.
I remember in your last interview, you said about Mahesh Babu that you met Mahesh Babu, you were opposite to his house, and and then after that, any other incidents happen, like you got a chance to meet Allu Arjun sir or Junior NTR sir or
No.
something. You have like
Actually, I've been invited for the SIMA and there's 2-3 award functions.
Okay.
Now also this some award is there, CCL Awards in Mumbai.
okay.
On 21st, I got the invite, but I really didn't. Whenever I want to go for some event, something or the other work is happening. So it's always clashing, but I didn't get the chance to meet all of them. But definitely I'll meet them in future.
Okay, so what are the 3 things in your mind? Where is your magic, that magic diary? If it would be there, I would have
It's
also.
my manifestation diary.
Yes. So, what 3 things in your mind you want to do it as early as possible? Like that's your wish.
That's my cinema, my first love. I want to keep doing good films, good
Till
characters.
at any age.
At any age. Today I'm playing lead heroine, tomorrow I'll play Amma, tomorrow day after I'll play Dadi. I don't.
You're ready for that?
I'm ready for that. I want to play all age characters as going up with my age. So I want to play all the kind of roles. Even if I grow old, I feel that I should cherish that kind of roles
Dadi
as
Amma
well.
role also, she's ready to
It'll
do.
be,
Great.
it'll be nice, no?
I think this video will use that when you're doing a Dadi Amma role.
Yeah.
That before that she
Before,
was
after,
prepared.
you can show before, after.
Yeah. So you were ready for doing Dadi Amma roles also.
Definitely. Because, see, I feel that cinema is something which makes me feel, and being on a film set just makes me feel so alive.
Okay.
I'm super energetic when I'm on a film set, and when I'm home, I'm very lazy person.
Oh, sabke saath hai.
Yeah.
So second thing, what do you want to do? One, you said cinema, all your life you want to give.
Second thing, I want to travel the world. Like wherever, whenever I get the chance to travel, I want to travel all the places, meet different kind of culture, different people. And third thing, I want to spend time with my family also. At the same time, I want to give time to my parents, which I rarely do. I regret that a lot sometimes, that I should take out time for my family as well. So these things are like my main priority in life.
वो third में भी आ गया. family aa gaya, sab aa gaya.
Yeah.
So when after certain time, you know, parents come for a marriage proposal.
Yeah.
How you take that? Have you told मैं इतनी age में शादी करूँगी या give me this much years?
No, my
Or
parents.
you get the right partner, then you'll decide.
Yeah, so I told my parents whenever I feel that, you know, I'm ready for, I find someone who, you know, who I feel that, you know, he can be my life partner, I'll definitely tell them. And my parents are very supportive. They will never force me to do anything as soon as possible. And they also know that, you know, marriage is a very big decision and you have to take it wisely.
I know.
And yeah, जब कोई अच्छा लड़का मिलेगा, I'll definitely
So
marry.
what exactly marriage means for you? A relationships when come. You must be, you know, with your friends who must have got married, must have got kids. And every day we see some of the things going surrounding by us in social media or, you know, our neighbors.
Right.
How you take at this point a relationships or marriage?
I feel that you know, relationships are basically like, it has to be unconditional. You have to have that unconditional love how parents have for their kids. That unconditional love and support has to be there. There should be honesty, there should be transparency in a relationship. Even in my film like Thirakka Bhadra Sami,
Yeah.
the basic message which this film is giving is the importance of marriage today,
Okay.
in today's world. Like today, if you see around, like, you know, people are just getting married, they're getting divorced,
Yeah.
and then they are just taking marriage as a joke, which is not good. You know, marriage is some, if you plan to get married, you have to have that kind of mindset and responsibility and towards having a family. Marriage is basically settling down and having a family.
But sometimes doesn't match.
Doesn't
जो
match.
दिखता है वो बिकता नहीं है, जो
Yeah,
बिकता है
yeah.
वो दिखता नहीं है.
Yeah, so
So
it
how
has to be taken very wisely, and I feel you should know a person in and out before you get married to that person.
So do you think is it okay to have divorces also? Because once you
It
trap
is
to like
okay. Yeah, it
now
is okay.
society is changing.
Nobody, you know, now judge people for the divorces and everything, and I feel that you should speak out when something
Yes.
is not happening right. So you should speak out for yourself. You should not face things like that. You should always stand for yourself, no matter what other people are, you know, doing it
Yeah.
for you. You should stand for yourself, and automatically things will fall into place.
True, true. So you have more detail, like you have actually worked on the relationships. You had a heartbreak.
Not really, but yeah, maybe in school or something.
You
that
only,
time.
I think you must have only said no.
Yeah, right.
You only said no. You never thought of proposing a boy in your
I
life.
never proposed anyone. Yeah. I
The
never.
life me you didn't felt that okay, this is the boy I should not leave. Okay, let me go and do this job.
Yeah, if I find some guy like that, I will definitely go and say it from my.
So for you, it's not like criteria कि पहले
No,
girls should do it a boy.
I don't.
You
think
go it.
so.
You like it.
ऐसा
Go.
लड़का तो मिले मुझे जिसको मैं जाके प्रपोज कर सकूं.
पर होना क्या चाहिए उस लड़के में? कुछ तो रहता है ना भी. Every girl has a dream.
Yeah, so I told you, I like the guy who is very chivalrous, who knows how to treat women. Respect. Respect
yes.
is something which is most important.
Yes.
Love fade away, it goes ups and downs, everything changes, but respect
True.
is something which will never fade. And honesty and transparency and supporting each other in each other's careers, and that is what
Exactly.
you, life partner का मतलब वही होता है.
Exactly.
See, I'll tell you the example. हम लोग जब स्कूल्स में या हॉस्टल्स में या पीजीज में रहते हैं, आपके रूममेट्स होते हैं ना.
I know.
You have roommates.
Yes.
पूरा दिन you go do your work, but at the end you come back to your room and you share your things with your roommate.
Yes.
That relationship has to be like that. There is no question answers things, but you
Yes.
share each things with each other like friends.
Mm.
So that friendship has to be there. That friends kind of bond should be there between you and your partner.
But yeah, please continue.
Yeah, so I feel that if I find something like that, I'll definitely.
So I
go
think
for
a
that.
friend can turn to a husband.
Definitely,
That
why not?
a friend can play a role of a husband,
Obviously, it can.
but husband can convert it into a friend. It will be a difficult job. Do you think?
I don't know. I have never experienced
So
a
I think
married
first we
life.
should make a friend and then husband.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but yeah, people say that things changes after marriage and all of that.
Yes.
But it's up to you, like how you share things with each other and what kind of compatibility you guys have. So it depends from people to people.
So you believe in dating?
Yeah.
You believe? How many, like, you would like to share? You went for a date, you're excited. And how was that date? I will not ask who we went, obviously not it. But you enjoyed dating. I mean, you believe in dating?
I feel that, you know, if you meet people, if you want to date people, see, if you want to have your life partner or if you want to marry someone in future, obviously you have to meet that people, you have to date that person, and if it goes well, you can carry forward. If it doesn't, you don't do it. So yeah, it's a process to get into that stage. Dating is a process. It's a first step.
But nowadays we're seeing a society change. If you're seeing, you know, previously parents used to say पहले देख लो या मत देखो, ठीक है, parents ने देख लिया हो गया. Now parents only say you go and live your life, stay with them, go live in में. There are so many people who
My
are
parents
talking.
will never allow me for living, definitely. My parents are not that open-minded, but yeah, they will not stop me from meeting them or you know spending time with them.
So when you heard these kind of stories, live in, how what goes in your mind? Like how you take this society change?
See, it depends on people to people. We can't comment on people who are staying in live-in. Everyone has their own way of taking things forward. But for me, I never thought of being into a live-in relationship with anyone, and I feel that I will directly get married. That's better option.
Better option. Okay.
yeah.
So when it comes to self-defense, you know, that's very important because how you support this self-defense, and if it comes for a awareness, because personally, you know, you have experienced that situations where self-defense is very important. So how you want to spread a message that every girl should go for a self-defense?
You watched my film Thiragra Bhadra Sami.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I think it's the right question.
You will know what self-defense means because in that movie, it will give a message. My movie is giving a message to each and every woman out there that is very important to have a self-defense. Every time hero is not going to come and protect you, you have to protect yourself.
In reality, for this movie, you did some Reiki, you did some, because for every movie, people actually do practices. They go to the location, they practice, they train themselves. You did something?
No, I haven't done because I am trained in MMA and this kickboxing. And
already she is a kickboxing girl. Okay,
yeah,
wow.
So it was very easy for me to take, and we didn't practice anything, but yeah, we took a lot of precautions before doing any scenes.
So I think kickboxing and more anything self-defense, if you have to learn what one thing, you would go for it. And fitness-wise, it will make you fit or happy.
Yeah, so you should go for this. There are basic techniques of self-defense. It doesn't require a lot of energy and effort, but they are like techniques.
Okay, yeah.
So these techniques, if someone attacks you or something, you can protect yourself.